Did you know the color of your kitchen can impact the entire feel of your home? It's true. The kitchen is the heart of the home. It's where we gather to cook, eat, and connect. Choosing the right color scheme is vital to creating a space that is both inviting and functional. Imagine this. You walk into your kitchen expecting to feel warmth and energy. Instead, you're met with a jarring, uninviting atmosphere. The wrong color choice can have this exact effect. Conversely, a well-chosen color palette can transform your kitchen into a sanctuary. It can uplift your mood, stimulate conversation, and even enhance the flavors of your meals. So, before you pick up a paintbrush, let's explore some common kitchen color mistakes and how to avoid them. One frequent blunder is ignoring the existing decor of your home. Your kitchen shouldn't exist in isolation. It should flow seamlessly with the rest of your house. For example, a fiery red kitchen might clash horribly with the calm, muted tones of your living room. Another common pitfall is opting for overly bold or trendy colors. While a vibrant hue can initially seem exciting, it can quickly become overwhelming in a space as frequently used as the kitchen. Imagine a neon green kitchen. While energetic, it might not be conducive to a relaxing Sunday brunch. Lastly, many forget to consider the impact of lighting on their chosen color. Natural and artificial light can drastically alter how a color appears. What looks stunning on a paint chip might translate into a gloomy or washed-out hue in your kitchen. So how do you choose the right color? First, consider the style of your kitchen. Traditional kitchens often suit warm, neutral tones like cream, beige, or soft yellow. Modern kitchens, on the other hand, can benefit from a bolder approach with colors like gray, navy, or even black. Next, think about your cabinets and countertops. If you have rich, dark cabinetry, you might want to balance it with a lighter wall color. Conversely, light cabinets can handle a bolder wall color without overwhelming the space. Don't forget the power of natural light. South-facing kitchens are bathed in warm light, making them perfect for cooler colors. North-facing kitchens, however, benefit from warmer hues to compensate for the cooler light. Ultimately, the key to a successful kitchen color scheme is harmony. Every element, from the wall color to the cabinet finish, should work in unison to create a cohesive and inviting space. Remember, your kitchen should reflect your personality and style. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what truly speaks to you. With a little planning and consideration, you can transform your kitchen into the heart of your home, a space filled with warmth, energy, and the joy of shared meals. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any decor tips. See you next time.